What's up, y'all? It's Pico.Blurred back again with another video. And today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing my new Babyliss Pro Lithium FX. So without further ado, let's get into the video. We got the notches on the clipper, black and gold. We got the gold honeycomb Babyliss Pro right here. Got a little bit of grip right here. On switch, charging port. Pretty nice blade. Got it kind of beveled here. Got a little bit of texture on it. It's got the wedge blade on it. Most of the clippers that I use do have a wedge blade on it, so I'm pretty used to that. So hopefully I can get, pretty comfortable with this. It's pretty comfortable in the hand, pretty light. Go ahead and put this thing on and see how it sounds.
It runs at 6,500 RPM and has 2 hours of runtime.
It's pretty quiet as far as the clipper goes, but it does feel pretty nice in the hand. It's got like a rounded belly underneath the clipper, but it's not too wide. It actually feels really good. Pretty grippable. There's these little indentures, whatever you want to call them, little slits in the back, offer a pretty good grip on it. And it's kind of like a matte, coarse finish on the back. Unlike this, it's glossy on the front, so it's a little bit slick. But I think that's why you got this here, because it kind of grips your thumb. But the back is actually pretty nice. Nice overall clipper though. We also got our clipper cleaning brush right here. Got the clipper oil, need that. Always keep your clippers oiled. Let's see what we got inside. I won't really use these. I have my own custom clipper guards anyway. Half guard, 1.5 guard. That's nice to have, in case you don't have any of your other guards on hand. You got the charging port, clipper guard on there. Keep your clippers clean, away from debris, whatever. We're gonna have to test these out on a client that's coming in soon. See how they cut, see how they feel when they're cutting. But yeah, let's get ahead of that. Before we get into the actual cut, I actually have to be honest. I was never a fan of the Babyliss Pro FX clippers, just because on mine, I wasn't able to actually like zero gap it, but I already zero gap these. As you can see, they're set pretty close. That's a big issue with me with clippers, is I like to have mine set how I like them set, because most of the time I use my trimmers to set in my initial guideline, so I'd like to be able to take that out, and if I can't gap my clippers, then that just doesn't work on me. So that's a plus with these. I was able to gap them no problem. But let's get into the cut. My client today is getting a mid-drop fade, so I'll come back when I use my clipper open.
Before I made my first guideline, I used the clipper to clear out the bulk, and it cleared it out super easy. As you can see, it etches this line in super easy, and you can hear the crunch of the clippers. Man, this sounds nice. Now, usually this isn't my next step in the fade. Usually I'll fade out the original guideline, but I just wanted to see how the clipper did clearing out bulk with the guard on, so. All right, let's see how these clippers do taking out the rest of my guidelines and finishing up this fade. Now I'll be quiet. You guys enjoy the rest of the video. I'll come back at the end, let you guys know my thoughts. As you can tell, these clippers body this fade. They had no problems cutting through the hair, no problems getting out the guidelines. The only issue I have is where the on and off switch is, but I'm sure I'll get used to that. But otherwise, I think I'm going to really enjoy these clippers. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash that like button, shoot me a follow. Peace.